Hey guys, we have Kobratech in the house. Today's shoot will be a selfie ring light, a tripod mount for smartphones, a Triflex mini tripod for smartphones and cameras. Also, they've sent in ProPic cell phone lens kit. Pretty cool, guys. I'll give you a sneak peek of what's inside in a while. Here we go. Hey guys, what's up? We're gonna start off with the ring light and the tripod mount for smartphones. Alright, let's get unboxing and see what we have inside. So for the ring light, it's with the ring light itself, which has 1, 2, 3 levels. Yeah, there you go. It's a clip type, which you can clip on to your mobile phones or your laptops, and yeah, you can take selfies, do night chats, and whatever you can think of, I guess. But I think this is pretty handy. It's pretty good. Okay, and it also comes with this USB cable. Also, what I really like is this remote shutter. You get to control the camera and then you can control it. It comes with instructions, so you can have a look at it. It comes with this pouch. You can put everything inside. You can take it with you wherever you go. Keeps it scratch free, keeps all the parts together. Exactly what I need, actually. Moving on, Kobratech also has this tripod mount for smartphones, which goes pretty well with the ring light. So here we go. Kobratech's mount comes with the mount, which rotates. You can mount it this way or that way. Nice thing about it is that it's adjustable. It extends up to 4.1 inches wide, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so my phone could be mounted this way, and I would just lock it this way, like so. And I could easily adjust it. There. It looks and feels very sturdy, so that's a good thing. And these little screwy parts over here and here, you can mount this on an actual tripod. Also comes with your remote shutter clicker. They all have it. This is what I like about Kobratech, actually. Just so you can see how we can use both these items. We can put the ring light on here. Hey, what's up? Take selfies. Of course, not only about taking selfies, but I'm sure you can do anything more than just vanity. Although this is a vanity tool, but it's a cool vanity tool. Anyways, it's really handy, it's really functional as well. So there you have it, combination of Kobratech's ring light and mount. Check them out, Kobratech. Okay, I gotta get to work. It's time to shoot these babies.